Mirilearners, welcome to this new chapter of Speak English Like a Native. Today we are going to see, can I help you? Let's start. Let's see the short dialogues. Anything I can do? Thank you. That's very kind of you. Are you sure you can manage on your own? Please don't bother myself. What would you care for? Wine all round? What would you say to a cup of coffee? I'm full up. Let's see more expressions. How can we offer help? You may use our services as you please. For example, this expression can be said by an employee of a company. I'm entirely at your disposal. I'll be glad to help you. I'd be pleased to help you. Ask us if need be. Anything I can do? Does anyone need a hand? We can ask this question if, for example, we are working within a team. Can I be of any service? If, for example, we are an employee and we are working at a shop, can I give you a hand? Can I give you a hand in the kitchen? For example, if we want to help our family. Can I help you to open the door? Are you sure you can manage on your own? Can I be of any help to you? Thank you, that's very kind of you. If, for example, we want to give thanks, can I help you at all? It's kind of you to offer, but there's nothing you can do. Be careful because this sentence sounds rude. I should manage on my own, thank you. Please don't bother myself. Be also careful with this expression because it also sounds rude. Can I help you out? Can I help you? I'd be happy to chip in. I'd be happy to help you cutting the tree. If, for example, we want to help someone at the garden. Should anything go wrong, just call me. I'm at your service. What can I do for you? If, for example, we are at a shop, do you need any help? Is someone helping you? How can we serve someone? Are you being served? What can I offer you? What would you care for? How can we invite in other ways? For example, drinks and food. What would you like to drink? What can I get you? Do you feel like a glass of wine? Wine all round? Be careful, because if you say this, you're inviting everyone. Who's for a Coke? What would you say to a cup of coffee? What will you have to eat? What are you eating? What about a stick? This rounds on me. This means that from now on, what you are going to eat and drink, you are going to pay for it. Drinks all round. Come on, have a drink. Let me stand you a drink. I wouldn't say no. Like to join me for a drink? Have one more cup of coffee. Thanks all the same. Here we are saying, no, thank you. No, really, I couldn't possibly. Here we are meaning that we are full. No, thank you. I've had enough. I shouldn't, but... Here we mean, yes. I'm full up. How can we give thanks in other ways? I'm greatly indebted to you. Thank you so very much. I'm much obliged to you. Many thanks. Thanks a million. I hope it wasn't too much bother. Don't mention it. You really shouldn't have, you know. How can I ever thank you? That really wasn't necessary. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.